Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new here, myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today, in this video, we are going to discuss about type of projects which we find in world of project management. So, if you're just starting your project management journey or you want to brush up your basics, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. So, our first type of project are construction projects. These kind of projects involve bridges, roads, etc. They require detailed planning, coordination, and strong focus on safety and regulation. It's all about turning blueprint into reality. Second type of projects are IT and software projects. These projects involve developing new software and implementing IT system or upgrading the existing one. Agile methodology like Scrum and Kanban are often used to manage this kind of project. Another type of projects are marketing campaign, and I find this kind of projects are very much common in today's digital world. These projects basically aim to promote product and services, increase brand awareness and drive sales. They involve a mix of creativity and analytics, from designing ads to measuring campaign effectiveness. It's all about making an impact and reaching your audience. Next one is event planning. Event planning type of projects are all about creating experience. Whether it's a corporate event, wedding or festival, these projects require meticulous planning, coordination and knack of handling unexpected challenges. If you love multitasking and seeing plans come to life, this is one for you. The next ones are research and development projects, which are basically focused on developing new product or innovation. These projects involve a lot of experimentation, data analysis and iteration. They are perfect for those who are curious and enjoy pushing the boundary of what's possible. Next type of process are business process improvement projects. These kind of projects are aimed to enhance efficiency and effectiveness within an organization. This could involve streamlining workflow, implementing new process, or leveraging technology to automate tasks. It's all about making a business run smoother and better. So, there you have it, different kind of projects in the project management world. Let me know on which kind of project you are working on in a comment section. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. Feel free to comment below and we will love to help you out. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.